So this is like a test setup. Here's a fuel pump controller. It is ran to I have a switch battery power right here going all the way to one of the I believe it's called an opening circuit relay. And then down here I have it run to the ECU. I got two of these going to the ECU. One for fuel pump controller, one for fuel pump relay, I believe. There's the other one right there. Got it ground underneath on the eyelet, and this one is going to the fuel pump. So I took the fuel pump relay out, and the pin that goes to the pump itself, this one, number 4, shoved it in there, and I know it works because it did start priming fuel almost instantly. Fixed a couple fuel leaks, one right there. I definitely have fuel leak in the rails, so this will probably come back off, and I'll go get some O-rings, some new O-rings for the injectors. But right now, I'm still going to try to fire it up and see if it starts. So stay tuned.